Uh, Pretty much for the past 2 years, I've been dealing with the after effects of a car accident. So my accident, the car accident I was in, I had the stinging pain anytime I moved or twitched or bent over, like it was electrifying, and it really stopped me in my tracks. Sleeping was terrible, where I was constantly waking up, turning from my back to my side, to my stomach to my side, and pretty much got no real sleep. I received some physical therapy, and then eventually I met Dr. Rappard. He looked at my x-rays and MRIs, had me get new information, new MRIs, so he could look at the latest. And then it was determined that I would need a procedure. The day of surgery, I arrived at the outpatient center, and very friendly. They took care of me. Dr. Rappard spoke with my mom, my wife, my son, and then they brought me in for prepping, and then they wheeled me into the operating room, and they put me to sleep, so I don't remember anything from that point. You'd have to ask Dr. Rappard. Sure. Before the surgery, I had a lot of fear. I thought that stinging pain was going to come back because they were releasing my nerves, if you like. So I had a lot of fear and concerns going into it, as most people will with having a surgery or before having a surgery. Once I woke up from the surgery, Dr. Rappard checked on me. The nurse helped me out. They wheeled me out in a wheelchair, but I pretty much from there could walk. I was ginger in my step, but I was able to move around, and I just laid low, relaxed, and but I realized very quick that I could move around, and it wasn't, my fears weren't coming true, in that, like Dr. Rappard said, you'll be able to walk, move around, but he did say, take it easy, you just had surgery. The few days after surgery, I was really trying to tame myself and relax and give the respect to the injury and the surgery. But I started moving around, we went to the grocery store. I didn't drive, but we went to the grocery store. And then actually, 3 days after, we took my son up to the train and pony rides at Griffith Park. So life is normal, I guess you could say.